Alright guys, we're going to do another little unboxing thing. We just picked up this trail cam. It is a trail cam. What's the name? Look up.
Okay.
Anyway, we're going to show you what we got inside this thing. And it's a Suntek Cam 808 Wi-Fi 808, so we'll see. Anyway, let's get going. So, the reason we bought this is because we live on basically a farm. That's not our land, but that's somebody else's land. And there's deer out there, and so we're trying to capture some video or picture of the deer. So we bought this guy. So you have the Wi-Fi Trail Cam Wi-Fi 810 user manual. Came in the 808 one, so hopefully it works together. And then you have the actual camera. And so it's, I guess these are sensors, so it can do a wider angle sensor, and night vision. Wi-Fi trail cam. Cool. Let's see what's inside. So it's got a little screen for you, so you can come up and view it. You know, you can see what it is without having to pull out the SD card and stuff. And this one did come with one, and came with an SD card, so I'm not sure what size it was. I can't really get it. Let's see. There we go. This one is, I don't know if you guys can see that. This one came with a 32 gigabyte mini SD card. Let's put that back in. So that would save a lot. And then this looks like battery compartment. Batteries. And I believe it's 8 AA's is what this one takes. So get batteries put in that and then get this thing going. But let's see what else it came with. So in here, and just the plastic that came in. Like a tree strap or whatever. Box of trash. And hey buddy. And then this is, oh, I guess a stand so you can screw it on to a tree or a piece of wood or something. So that's pretty cool. Back to screws. And then it came with a lock-unlock button. So I guess this is not supposed to be lock-unlock, but rather turn on and turn off. I don't know. We'll fool around with it and see what exactly lock-unlock does. And then it came with this little mini USB adapter for your computer, so you can upload your images. Instead of using batteries, it looks like you can pull this little guy off here. And it plugs in a 6-volt, 1.5 amp DC cord, is what that says. But we didn't get that, so we go on batteries. So let's give it a shot. There it goes. Now test off, test on. Let's see what happens. Huh.
Play. It's probably recording.
No, it should come off.
pretty big too.
Yeah, it's small. It's nice and small. I mean,
like,
it's compared to my hand, it's smaller than my hand. We'll have to troubleshoot and come back. After much reading, we were able to get it connected to the app in the phone. So this is what it comes up with. And you can do this. There we go. Here I am. Try to go this way. There's old Dodd. Dad Diddy, right there. Nice to meet you guys. We're going to go hang this camera up on the tree and see what we can find out back. Here we go. I guess we're gonna strap it up. We'll see how long that goes. Let's strap it up. Dax says he's got it figured out already where he wants it to go. So we'll turn that off. Bring this with us, obviously. Where's Dax at? Well, it's got to face the field, buddy.
oh yeah.
We're going to face it out over the field.
Oh, I know where to put it.
So I was thinking maybe like on one of these trees over here. Let's go back around.
I know how to do it.
You off-roading your bike? So I think this is going to be our victim tree, so to speak. So roughly, you should see that. Pretty good view. And hopefully we'll catch something. Maybe a fox. For sure some cats. But maybe a fox. Maybe a sunset. We don't know.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we got it mounted. Here she sits here. In its little glory. So it's really not even noticeable. And you're probably, I don't know, 10 feet away. Kind of hides in with the trees. Alright, how to make a trip. Golf tee. The boys hit golf balls out there. We lose a lot. But it's fun. They enjoy it. Alright, so we're going to try and get it to work. Let's look for some lights here. I think that's a good light. And let's see, go back to the app. And we'll see what it looks like. There we go. There we are. So now you can see it. And let's see, there's the view. There's the view. Hard to see on the camera. A recording of a recording of a recording. So, it's roughly this though. Roughly that. I think it's a good spot. We're going to run with it. So wish us luck. Here comes Dax Diddy over here. The wild man himself. And we'll give it a couple nights and then we'll come over and check it and see what we can find. And then we're going to do a video one day of us camping over here. And we're going to go camp along that tree line over there. Dax and I have been clearing out a little spot for a tent. So that's to come. Alright guys, we're going to leave this thing going. And we'll get back to you guys in a couple days.
Bye.
See ya.